Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to delete Gmail account permanently. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. To delete a Gmail account, follow the steps. Now open up your Gmail app on mobile. Then tap on three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. Then scroll down and tap on settings. Now, tap on the email address you want to delete. Then tap on manage your Google account. Then tap on privacy and personalization. Now scroll down and delete a Google service. Now enter your password if prompted. Now to continue to use your other Google services with this account, like Google Play, Docs, Calendar, you'll need an address to sign in with. So you just put an email address, then just send the verification, and just follow the prompts to confirm the deletion of your Gmail account. Please take note that deleting your Gmail account will also delete all the emails and data associated with it. Make sure to back up any important data before deleting your account. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!